How to make a file editable by two different users in different groups. I have a folder at /home/www/ and the owner is www, which is part of the www group. I have another user, John, part of the John group. How can I chown /home/www/ to make it writable by both www and John? Thanks.
Rather than modify permissions on the directory, it might be easier to put the user John into the www group. Users can be in multiple groups. Use either usermod, edit the /etc/group file, or if you have a GUI on your Linux machine, use the Graphical User Manager program, might be called different names based upon distro and desktop environment. The easiest method is probably to open a command prompt and type in sudo usermod gwww John. It'll ask for your account password, and once you enter it, the user John will have group level access to the /home/www directory. This is assuming the group www already has read/write/execute access to the /home/www directory. If that group doesn't have that level of access, then use chgrp www/home/www and chmod g plus rwx/home/www to take care of that. Note, if you are currently logged in as John, you may need to log out and back in for your permissions to update.
You can't. But you may be able to set an ACL for it.
Try creating new group www and John, then chown www column www and John home www. Commod R G plus W dot. And in the end add both users to group www and John.
If you want to put the please use the link in the thread.